Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach, helping entrepreneurs and business owners achieve their goals faster than they ever thought possible. In this fast-paced world of technology and innovation, rapid prototyping has a game changer. But what exactly is rapid prototyping? How does it work? And why it is so crucial to product development? In this video, we will delve deep into these questions and more. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping is a group of techniques used to quickly fabricate a scale model of a physical part or assembly using three-dimensional computer-aided design (CAD) data. This approach allows innovators to turn ideas into tangible products faster than ever before. 2. A historical overview of rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping has come a long way since its inception in the late 1980s. Initially, it was primarily used for creating models and prototype parts. But today, it's being used to produce final product components in some cases. 3. Different techniques used in rapid prototyping. There are various techniques used in rapid prototyping including 3D printing, selective laser sintering, fused deposition modeling, and stereolithography, each with its benefits and drawbacks. 4. How rapid prototyping works, an in-depth explanation. The process starts with creating a CAD model of the design. This model is then converted into an STLAN format, which is then sliced into thin cross-sectional layers. These layers serve as a roadmap for the 3D printer to build the object layer by layer. 5. The importance of rapid prototyping in product development. Rapid prototyping plays a crucial role in product development. It allows designers to detect and fix design flaws early in the process, saving time, money, and resources. It also helps in getting valuable feedback from potential users. 6. Rapid prototyping vs traditional prototyping, a comparative analysis. Unlike traditional prototyping methods, rapid prototyping is faster, more accurate, and allows for easy modification and iteration. However, it may not be suitable for large-scale manufacturing or for products that need to withstand rigorous testing. 7. The role of rapid prototyping in different industries. From automotive and aerospace to healthcare and fashion. Rapid prototyping is transforming industries by streamlining the design process and making innovation faster and more cost-effective. 8. Advantages and disadvantages of implementing rapid prototyping. While rapid prototyping boasts numerous advantages like speed, flexibility, and enhanced communication, it also has its drawbacks, including high initial costs, limited materials, and the need for sophisticated software and skilled operators. 9. Real-world examples of successful rapid prototyping. Companies like Ford, Adidas, and GE Healthcare are leveraging rapid prototyping to design innovative products and stay ahead of the competition. These cases highlight the real-world potential of this technology. 10. The future of rapid prototyping, trends and predictions. The future of rapid prototyping looks promising, with trends pointing towards more sustainable materials, advanced software, and the integration of AI and IoT. In conclusion, rapid prototyping is an essential tool in today's innovative and competitive business landscape, enabling companies to save time, reduce costs, and create more efficient, effective products. By incorporating rapid prototyping into your design and manufacturing processes, you can significantly enhance your product development and gain a competitive edge in your industry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.